Hello guys, you smoke on Xiaomi 11 Lite. This version of 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory in the pink color. Okay. Look complementation. In complementation we have protected back cover and adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay. Device made of glass on the back side and front side, and this plastic. Triple camera on the back side and LED. On the front side 6.5-inch display, power key and volume keys on the right side. On the left side without controls, upside slot for tuner, downside slot for tuner SIM card, USB Type-C port and microphone. Okay. Turn on device. Full HD AMOLED display 90 Hz. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 732 G 6 plus 2 cores, 1.8 and 2.3 GHz, GPU Adreno 618, Android 11, resolution and display PPA. Results test, okay. Open Antutu benchmark results. Close this and run the demanding game GTA San Andreas. Game works on the max graphic level and the game works perfect. Okay, close this and now show you photos on the main camera.